Okay guys, so I'm making Chinese Kathiew. It's a beef noodle soup. I've got my short ribs and my soup bones in there with some salt and water, and we're just gonna allow these to come to a boil. Okay, I have a large piece of ginger, 2 sweet onion, and 3 shallot that I'm going to roast in my pan. As your beef comes to a boil, you want to skim the top, all of this that surfaces to the top so that you end up with a clear broth. So I'm just going to be skimming this all day because we don't want this in our soup. I've got 4 large celery sticks that I've cut into equal parts, and I'm going to add these to my broth. Now that my vegetables are starting to roast, I can add these to my pot of soup. Okay, I've added 1 full pack of the artificial beef flavor broth mix into my broth, and I'm going to begin skimming. I also cut the ends of some cilantro stems and added them to my broth as well. I'm going to allow that to continue to simmer. I want to add about 1/2 cup of fish sauce. I've chopped up all of my brisket and I'm going to add it to my pot since it's going to take a few hours to tenderize. You want to add about 1/2 cup of the chicken bouillon to your soup. Time for me to skim again. And I purposefully left some of that fat on my brisket. I think it's going to add so much more flavor to my broth. Can't wait to see how this comes out. Okay, now I've minced up about 15 cloves of garlic and I'm going to fry them. You just want to allow your garlic to fry until it becomes crispy, and then you want to remove it from the oil because we're going to be adding this to our pot of soup. And this is how you want your garlic to look before turning off your fire and adding your crispy garlic to your broth. You want to add these onions to your pot and then get ready to chop up all of your goodies. Added a little more chicken bouillon, some faux seasoning. And this looks so good. So we're just gonna allow this to continue to simmer for a couple of hours and we'll come back and check it.
What are your early impressions of USC with Mayama at quarterback?
They went tempo on the second drive. We stopped them on the first drive, picked them on the second drive. On the third drive, they went tempo just to speed it up on us.
Here we have our beef tendon balls that we are going to slice in half.
Best sleep guarantee.
Colorado ends a 7-game skid to Utah. They remain second place in the Big 12 and keep their...
Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday. With the kibble and feed their dogs fresh food from the farmer's dog.
They tell us that this flag is done thanks to the clips.
Nice play right there. Gotta watch out here. I got Jamar and they're